nonsense that you put me through. I give it up to you, I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited, you wanna hold me close, but I know what you have to. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine, mine, mine. It's right, right, right. It's right, 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 right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine, mine, mine. It's right, right, right. It's right, 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 right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you. I try to let go of all of the nonsense that you put me through. I give it up to you, I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited, you wanna hold me close, but I know what you have to. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine, mine, mine. It's right, right, right. It's right, 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 right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine, mine, mine. It's right, right, right. It's right, 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 right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. We run and go still every time. Whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale.
Nindot ang kuan diri landscape So nice. Nindot magsuri-suri sa imuhang loved one. Sa imong uyab. Sa imong bana, sa imong asawa, sa imong girlfriend, sa imong boyfriend, sa imong kabit, sa imong unsa pa diha. Nindot diri. Mag-holding hands. Char. What? Sana all. So nice. Ano na, I love heart dito the pita. Yan. Look at that. What a beautiful view. Ay, naanay nag-date mga bayo. Sana all. Nindot isuroy ron kay dili init. 5 o'clock. Nice and cool. Naay nag-date. Dili mga ba? Sana all. What? Tanawa, sana all. Tanawa. Diba? Sana all na lang tagyod as in. Ayan. Ayan. What a beautiful garden. Oh my God. Nakaka-amaze ang Jack's Ridge. Press, mega love shout out to you, Press. You are right. Jack's Ridge is beautiful. It's amazing. So nice. I love it. Grabe. Nindot kaayo diri. Nindot ilahang landscape. Ilahang garden. So nice. Guys, if you come and visit Davao, please come and see Jack's Ridge, mga bay. And also Shrine Hills. Kinahanglan nga mo bisita mo ani diri. It's so amazing. I can't wait for the night time. Wow, buribuyag uy. Buribuyag. Nindot oy. As in nindot kaayo. Buribuyag. Nindot diri kay walay entrance. Ay, nindot oy. Daghang bombel. Different colors. And it's so nice. Oh, so nice. Nindot na diri oh, magpakasal diri. Char.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move.
Wow, grabe ang view. Grabe ang view diri, grabe. Tama jud ka, Press. The view is so beautiful here in Jack's Ridge. Oh my goodness. Daghang bombel. Na ay pa Cebu Pacific. Nilabay ang Cebu Pacific. Oh my God, I love Davao so much. So far, my experience here in Davao is so amazing. Thank you so much, Davao. Wow. So amazing. I love. Ayan. Hala, ninduta puro buyag. Uy. So nice. Na sila birds of paradise. Oh, ayan. Ha? Mana? Ayan. Sabi ka, nangutot ko. Nangutot ko. Mana lagi, nagilibot na nila ako diri. Thank you so much guys for watching my video here in Jack's Ridge. Yes. Thank you so much for watching. What a beautiful place here in Jack's Ridge. What a beautiful view. Thank you so much sa nag-watch ako ang video karon no sa video vlog na ako diri sa Jack's Ridge. Yes, from Davao City. Thank you so much Davao. I had a good experience. Salamat sa aking mga members. Thank you so much sa inyong suporta. Thank you for watching my video. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you.
Nice good ang view at night. Jack's Ridge, yes. Okay na na, oy. Klaro na.
I love Jack pala yan. I love Jack French.
Dagan yung planong ulabay diri, no? Dool ra ni siya sa airport. Mura. Wow. Nice good siya sa night time.